Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by AAFX Trading.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the dollar-yen, recent developments, and the potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an oversold market. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.5% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.7% in the last session, after rising as much as 1.1% during the session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
Moving on to world financial news.
Oil prices finished the week with daily gains after new sanctions were imposed on Iran's crude exports, but prices were down for the week as investors worried about US President Donald Trump's renewed trade war on China and threats of tariffs on other countries. A fresh look at the pace of inflation will test the US stock market in the coming week, as investors worry that President Donald Trump's tariff plans are endangering Wall Street's hopes for interest rate cuts this year. The benchmark S&P 500 remained about 1% below record high levels. China's consumer inflation accelerated to its fastest in 5 months in January, while producer price deflation persisted, reflecting mixed consumer spending and weak factory activity. Deflationary pressures are likely to persist in China this year, analysts say, unless policymakers can rekindle sluggish domestic demand.
Thank you. And now moving on to our chief analyst pick of today's main economic events.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Finland's industrial output at 6 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, current, will be released at 5 GMT. Japan's Eco-Watchers survey, outlook, at 5 GMT. China's M2 money supply at 10 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.